What's up, fam? So, yo, testimony, man. My boy Naka done did it again. I was at a car show. You seen the video, autism awareness, cleaning my car. I had this liquid tire shine, and I didn't even notice it. But you see what happened to my shoes, man. And I was rocking the all white on whites Vapormax, and I didn't even notice it. Scuffed them up against the tire shine bottle and the tires and messed my shoes up. Sent them to my dude, man, and look, I'm gonna show you both shoes. No movie magic. Both shoes. You can't even tell where the marks was, man. You can't even tell where it was done up at. So, real spill, custom kicks by Naka, man. The dude know what he doing. I wouldn't rock with him if he didn't. So, hit my man up. Even if for a restoration, he can also dye the bubbles. I'm gonna get those done here soon once I brainstorm how I want it. But restos, if you mess them up, stains, color change. If you want to match your car like I did my Deadpool Wolverine ones, you've seen that. Or if you want to match your car, whatever, man, hit my dude up. Custom Kicks by Naka, man. Check my man out. Peace.